Gulf Coast and Beyond channel here. I'm reviewing the Ragecam GoPro Hero 3 full spectrum mod. This came in a couple days ago. I'm going to give it a test run tonight. I am not affiliated with Ragecams in any way. This is an independent review. This is a separate case that I got for it off of Amazon. Very happy with it. All of the ports are exposed. That will be inside of the case. This is just a regular light. These are IR lights. This is an IR flashlight. You can get the effect of a flashlight when you're using this type of flashlight, but it still illuminates pretty good. But I'm going to shoot with this, and I'm also going to shoot with these two on this cage. I have two big ghost hunts coming up, so I'm going to make sure everything is functioning properly. So the next videos will be at night with both sets of videos. See how it does. Okay, the first test we're going to do with the IR light with the GoPro 3 is this flashlight right here, IR flashlight. Like I said, you will get some of the center effect from the bulb, but we'll check it out. Okay, so now we're recording with the IR light. It's completely dark in my living room. You should be able to see my dogs. There's a little bit of residual light from the hallway, but this kind of gives you an idea. And the nice thing about these GoPros also, instead of the China mods that they're doing, is the GoPros have excellent audio, which means you can get any disembodied voices or possibly any EVPs on the fly while you're recording. Okay, that's going to be it for the IR flashlight. Okay, so it's pitch black in here, and I really can't see anything. Hope I don't trip over the coffee table or anything. This is with both on the cage here now. Can't even see the dogs. So now I know what the ghost people are like, ghost hunters. Can't see nothing in the dark. You gotta have a little bit of light, but Jason mask. Okay, now I'm going to turn the IR lights off. These are some other lights here. See how that looks with the full spectrum. That's the other set of lights that are on there. Okay. So that's the review for both of these, the flashlight and the IR lights. I think this gives a more even spread. They both look amazingly well. For 1080 on Narrow, that shoots at 1080 with a GoPro 3. I think for ghost hunts, I'll probably take both just to have a backup. And for the Ragecam, I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm sure they'll back up their product. I think it's 90 days, but I'm happy with their customer service. So I'll take these out and I'll post the future things that I get on my hunts. I'll put them on my channel. So Gulf Coast and Beyond. See you next time.